This is Talk. Talk to Element. Negotiations have failed with the active shooter. Make entry and clear the area.
Red team open and clear.
All to the door and clear. Roger.
Get down!
On me.
Provide support. Right with you.
Ils ont jamais fait l'ordre que je leur ai donné, c'est génial.
Talk to entry team. Roger, trailers inbound.
Open and clear.
Move in and clear. 10-4.
Put your hands up!
We're not here for you.
I did whatever I could.
Talk to entry team. Copy entry team. Notifying trailers.
Going!
Got an opening up ahead. Opening on the left. Empty over here. No contact.
Red team open and clear.
Move in and clear.
It's clear over here, boss.
Down on the
Get me out
ground,
of here!
now!
This is protocol.
Ils font rien.
We have a civilian in custody.
On me.
Talk to Element.
Fall in behind me.
Roger that. Trailers incoming.
Red team open and clear.
Open and clear. Stacking.
Let's go!
Nothing.
On me.
Fall in. Got your back.
This can't be happening.
Open and clear.
Move in and clear it. Moving up. Swap.
Get down! On the right! Around now!
On me.
Move in and clear with gas. Don't resist.
Police, stay where you are!
Lead the talk. Suspect in custody.
This is Talk.
Open and
Copy
clear.
that.
Going in. Opening on the left.
Got an opening up ahead.
Looks clear over here, boss. Nothing here, sir. Empty over here.
No contact.
Open and clear.
Move and clear.
Moving up. Reaching. Drop the weapon!
On me.
Down on your knees!
Fall in. Don't you fucking move.
I'll get him ready.
Lead the talk.
Got a civilian
Suspect in
down there.
custody.
Need cam sound. Civilian restrained. Don't worry. We're cops.
Civilian is ready. Element to talk.
Open and clear.
Reporting. Roger.
Open the door.
Trailers
Clear it. Getting
inbound.
into place.
Lock. How do you want to do it?
Unlock it.
Got the lockpick. You gonna move? Unlocked and ready to go.
Switching me.
Move, move, move!
Opening on the right.
Got an opening here.
Opening on the left. Good here.
Dropping the light.
Empty over here. No contact.
Talk to Element.
Red team, open and clear.
Get the door. Clear it. Doing it.
Blue team.
Stack up.
Roger.
Blue team, open and clear.
Move in. Clear it. 10-4.
Opening on the left.
On the ground. Move. Stay down and turn around.
Moving. Good here.
Turn around. Don't get up.
We got split up. Element to talk.
Empty over here. No contact.
Talk reporting. Roger that.
On me.
Trailers
Move
incoming.
it.
Proceed
Move
with
it.
caution.
Open and clear.
Get the door and move in.
Copy.
Get down on your knees. Hands up.
We gotta get Antonio an ambulance.
Element to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk to entry team. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Opening on the right. Talk.
Turn around.
Wounded.
Turn around.
Talk
Don't get
reporting.
up.
Roger
Stay down
that.
and turn around.
Medical assistance is standing by. I got nothing here.
Je savais qu'il était là-bas.
Team to talk. We have a civilian in our custody.
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up. I got it. Good to go.
Let me see those hands.
On me.
Safe.
Hold there.
Holding.
Police, drop the weapon.
Allez. Je croyais qu'on avait eu le dernier.
Turn around and stay still. Entry team to talk. We got a suspect here ready for escort.
This is talk. Copy, entry team.
Donc
Notifying
là, il y a
trailers.
clairement une bombe. Je l'ai entendu ticker tout à l'heure. Là, il y a... Elle est là, quelque part. Je vais m'occuper de lui.
Talk. Wounded civilian stable and prep for evac.
Talk to entry team. Copy. Clean house and we'll take them out.
Ah, elle est là, tout en bas, tout simplement. On me.
Stay on me.
I got you. Entry team to talk. Talk to entry team. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going. Talk to element. Bomb timers approaching 0. Hurry, entry team. This is talk. Entry team, that's all bombs disabled. Great job.
I'll get him ready. This is procedure.
Il manque des civils.
Element to talk.
Talk reporting. Copy that. Trailers incoming.
Ils ont menotté le pauvre mec qui est déjà en sang par terre. Ouais, un tour gratuit. Il doit y avoir... des gens... Ça, je crois qu'on les a tous... Là-bas. Lui, je l'ai eu. Voilà. Il y a des classrooms.
I'll get him ready. We're not here for you.
Cuffed and ready. Entry team to talk. Talk reporting. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
De l'autre côté. Ah, ça c'est la porte qui est fermée. Ok. Là-bas. Lui. Hello, mister.
Don't shoot! Don't worry, we're gonna get you out of here. Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Lockpick it. Using the multi tool. Door's unlocked.
LSPD, don't move! Police, hands up!
Des fois, elle se planque.
Police, get your hands up!
Dans les placards. Ah, ce n'est pas le cas. Il y avait ça, ça on est allé, ça on est allé. Ça emmène dehors, ça emmène là-bas. Et ça on a...
We don't miss any classrooms.
Il y avait un Gus. Oh, on a eu tout le monde ici. Putain, les... J'avais jamais vu qu'il y avait tous les cadavres ici dans la classe. C'était pas mal l'angoisse. Ah, dans la cantine. Bonjour. Est-ce que vous seriez pas le dernier civil? Ça arrangerait bien mes affaires. J'aimerais terminer cette vidéo. J'aimerais voir le plus 500. Non, toujours pas.
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Toilette. Un grand classique.
Put your hands up! Moving into handcuff. You're gonna be okay. You're fucking crazy!
Et j'ai les plus 500, voilà, et c'est la fin. Encore une mission rondement menée malgré la fin là où il y avait... Ouais, donc à partir la deuxième moitié des missions, à partir de la 8-9e mission, tu peux plus avoir le S en entraînement pour pas que tu débloques, tu sais, tous les cosmétiques d'un coup. Donc pour te forcer à aller jouer en solo ou faire la campagne. Je pense que c'est pour ça. Next!